Welcome to all viewers to BAS Academy. I, I believe this platform will help you all to prepare for next level of multi-domain experts where the company is for. So I'm going to start from introduction networking and specifically from IP address. Okay, let's begin. What is IP address? IP address is an address which helps the system to communicate with networks, whether it is a public or private, and internet to send or receive data. So I have taken two systems. First one is Windows and another one is Linux to show the IP address of the machine. That is the fundamental property or fundamental details of the IT infrastructure. Let's begin from Linux. Here you can see and click this icon and go to wired, click the wired setting and move to settings here. And you can see the IP address of the machine 168.198.130. This is the IP address of the machine in graphical user. And another method you can see using terminal. Here you can put the command ifconfig. Ifconfig is the command that helps to find IP address of a machine. And you can see the same IP address in the GUI displayed there. 192.168. Let's compare the two things. So here you can see that same IP address is displayed in the two areas. So this way we can find the IP address in Linux machine. Let's move on to Windows. Here you can put the command cmd and open command prompt using run as administrator and put the command ipconfig. So you can see the number of interfaces that I have connected this machine with the Wi-Fi. So it displays the IP address of the machine 192.168.1.8 is the IP address of the machine. So let's check this using GUI. Here, go to Wi-Fi and right click and click the network and internet setting. Click the Wi-Fi. Select the properties of the Wi-Fi and show you can see the IP address of the machine 192.168.1.8. I'll come back to things. Same IP address is displayed here 192.168.1.8 is the IP address of the machine here, and the same IP address is displayed in command prompt. Okay, so these are the two methods of CLI and GUI in both Windows and Linux machines. Let's close and find the command. So this is the command. Practice here. Windows, I put the command ipconfig. In Linux, I put the command ifconfig. These are the two commands helpful to us to find the IP address of the machine in Windows and Linux. Thanks for watching my videos. In upcoming videos, I give a lot of details that we use in our day-to-day life to enterprise level. Thank you.